How to return and get a refund on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily return items from Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Temu application and click on your profile. That's the little U icon at the bottom. When you click on it, go to About and click on Return and Refund Policy. Before you try to refund and return any item from Temu, you need to make sure you know certain rules from Temu application. As you can see in the first question, can I return any product I bought on Temu? As you can see, it says that you can return and get a refund from Temu application on any items. For especially clothing items that are worn, washed, damaged with tags packaging cannot be returned. So those are the exceptions that you need to consider while returning any item from Temu application. So that's it. That is how easily you can get a refund on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.